Let's explore how the Juror page of Toolkit.law streamlines your entire voir dire workflow. Select the Tools section, then the Juror page. From here, you can use the import accordion to upload panel lists in multiple formats, and the system automatically maps each field cleanly. The panelist pool displays every juror as a structured seat card, and you can click any card to review or edit their details. During voir dire, the dedicated panelists remaining, struck, and seated accordions update instantly as you make decisions, helping you stay organized under courtroom pressure. You can search panelists by demographics or responses, review analytics in the statistics section, and store notes, objections, or questions, all in one place. This workflow reduces confusion, eliminates spreadsheet errors, and gives your trial team real-time clarity during one of the most critical stages of litigation. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Juror page for smarter and more efficient jury selection.